Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something I found up in Canada, a little thing from Indonesia. It's by a company called ABC. This is their Gurimi range, Mie Instan Rasa Vegetarian. And, yeah, is it boiling? It's boiling in my face, as it were. In my face. And I was planning on doing things in a different order today, but I'm doing it in the order I'm doing it. And it looks like there is only one sachet, so we'll dump this in the pot of boiling water. Turn on the heat for 1, 2, 3 minutes. And yeah, one sachet. Vegetarian. So, yeah, how's it going? I'm looking at this thing and I'm really happy with this monopod. It's like one thingy. It looks like it's okay. It doesn't look like it's I think it's alright. It should be. I mean, it should be, and it is. Yeah. So it is 12:11 in the city of Kenmore, Washington, where courtesy is contagious. So they treat it like a virus. What is it? August 3rd, 2020. Up in your Fizmace. What happened this weekend? I got a flat tire on my ride. Well, actually my daughter's ride. It was on the back right side wheel of her stroller, and it had a flat. It's just like right when we were leaving. I'm like, crap. So we hightailed it to the bike shop and they fixed it in like 10 minutes. I was like, woo! I'm sure there'll be people that are going to be like, dude, it's so easy to fix it. You could have watched a YouTube video, blah, blah, blah. No. Not what I wanted to do. I'm not getting stroller tire irons. Probably you're also going to say, no, they're the same deal. You just use the same junk to do it. I've tried changing a bike tire before and it's just like not pretty. I figured we'll just go over there, pay them to do the job. They did it. It was cheap. It was done. And on we went. So that was Saturday. Now, there's going to be a review before this and a review after this. This is the first one I'm doing today. Then I'm doing another one. And then I'm doing the one that'll appear in sequence before this. And there'll be a mukbang accompanied by that. So. But yeah, now you know. And we're coming in on 10 seconds to go. We'll try out this Indonesian vegetarian delight. If hopefully it's a delight. We'll find out right about now. So I need scissors. You're probably all used to seeing me having all the garnishes and everything ready and out, but not today. I'm literally doing just the base stuff because I'm doing 3 reviews and a mukbang. I figure it's a good way to get going on the week, get further ahead. This is review 3,000. 3,000! And if I weren't that weren't enough, it's number 3,670 So we're about to hit 3,700. That's a lot of noodles. If you didn't know. It's a lot of noodles I've tried. That's not counting re-reviews. But I generally don't do re-reviews anymore. If it's something that's getting re-reviewed, it gets its own number. Just due to the fact that it's been so freaking long since I've had it. And the likelihood that they haven't changed their recipe from then to now is minuscule. So. Alright, let's give this a try. Here is the Noodle. Vegetarian. Wow. Salty and buttery. That's what I'm getting out of that. The broth for your single sachet, that's pretty, there you go. That's some pretty, not just straight up clear stuff. A lot of onion in there. Whew. Very oniony. Alright. So, the last time I did this, I had some serious issues with my camera, but we're going to see if that will not be the case this time. Look at that! That was easy. See, I didn't have to do any of that stuff. I like this one even better. I'm kind of glad the other one broke. Save a lot of time. And time is time. You know what? It is vegetarian. I better add some junk to it. We'll add some. It's like I go to the store, it's like, I gotta get all my ingredients, I gotta get all my vegetables, I gotta do all this. And then I don't use them? Come on. Really? Oh, that's right. And I ran down to the store, the local grocery store last night. It was organic. Onions, verts, Mexican green onions. They're from Mexico. Alright. A little bit of that. I won't be doing this for the mukbang though, that's for sure. Into the pot, or the bowl rather. See, I don't know why they don't have a machine that does this at your table like at a restaurant. I really want this one Japanese spring onion cutter. It's like, it's not cheap, but this is such an imprecise methodology that I use, and the other ones, that machine, the rings come out just like perfectly round. It just like slashes right through it. Beautiful stuff. And we're gonna go really exotic with this red pepper from Papa Murphy's Pizza. It's Take a Bake Pizza. You enjoy it. I certainly do, but I don't eat that crap anymore. I am back on the diet. I'm not even eating Cliff Bars anymore. No, sir. I'm doing Fiber One bars. Fiber One bars. I've finally found the right snack. Use only as directed, and don't overuse. Because if you overuse that, oh boy, that's a lot of fiber. You know what that does? I think you do. Don't you? You should know what a lot of fiber will do to you. Wow, look at that. Yes. Thank you, Amazon. Amazon, the place where you can get things from Amazon. Now, if there was just a way to get this thing aligned so I could center things really easy. It's like I need crosshairs and a bunch of rings. That would work. But yeah, let's have some Rotato fun. And yeah. Alright, well that's from it from me for this one. This has been Odds the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson. Noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings, the tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stoats Manevers.